See this? And then we'll come up here, we'll go up here all the way down here, spit back down Blue Heights, Grandview, all the way. And we took them all the way up to Lookout Mountains to Jared Leto's, but we go mainly to Grandview, but they brought this like, look at this. The Kinky girls from big cities, brothel. I don't know, I thought that this would be a good place to start. It was down there, and he's just like early Jagger, Rolling Stones, like hair this length, you know, big lips, like, and he's just like, you look in the back, and it's this exactly where he was, except it's all gone. No, this was a Tom Mix cabin. That was his cabin that burned down. It was huge. You go down there. People used to party. Toma, should we take a little smoke break?
So we should.
Oh, man. Got it here? Right this way.
Well, how you doing? I bet you're doing nothing. Waiting for the moment. Our delicate dog. Well, how do I pay for all of our dinners? Whenever I check this, well, credit cards, credit debt, I'll get out of it. I'll wait for a day, feel like I've seen
They say Frank Zappa used to live it, but I read otherwise, but it's still cool to believe.
from big cities, they need company, but I only want something, they want something, they want company.
It's someone's house. And I had a friend that was renting it and would live, or that one, sorry, not this one on the right, but both of these have some sort of mine cart shaft.
Just take the mine.
Where we are, there's like so many more. So we were the first one. Here's the lore. We did this little stencil of me and Jackson when Jackson, he was my old buddy, he was playing bass for me, and this was me playing a harmonica with him next to me. We're the only ones here, and I said, instead of urinating everywhere, we'll make our mark there. And then when we did American Purism, we did Kinky Girls from Big Cities, and as you can see, some people found the spot. But yeah, this is Laurel Canyon.
She's a glimmer sun in the morning. Hold and warm mugs and give it a tight hug. How fun that was so young. Round the corner, come here and meet me. It's still Manhattan. Just get a taxi. Kills for the French 75 on after a breakup with a guy, only seconds and she's mine.
For the video, I honestly just tried to sneak my hand out.
The Southland is in shock today over a series of brutal killings that occurred here on Wonderland Avenue early today.
Right here, Lookout Mountain. We were right here. We rummaged around here.
We were like...
We were here, and then we went to the mountain. Then we came all the way down here again, and we went all the way up Kirkwood right here. We kept on going up Kirkwood, all the way to Grandview. We went all the way up Grandview to Cold Crest, to Blue Heights. This is the first place we got out. All of LA view here. Sunset Plaza. We were spit out on Sunset Plaza. And then we got out here again. This was the jetliner view. And then we went all the way down Wonderland. And then here we stopped around the Jared Leto Lookout Mountain Laboratory. Walked down here, stopped at the John Holmes Burgers. Kept going down. connected back to Lookout Mountain. Then we're all back to Laurel Canyon and back here to the store. It's like Godspeed. Everything's fake. Wildlife.
Got you in mind.